everybody. Hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by because we're going to be digging into the Spring Curateur box. If you're new, I'm Laura. This is Loki, so he's going to be causing trouble pretty much through this entire video. And we're happy you're here. We hope you stick around for the long haul and hit that subscribe. All right, so I'm going to put you on the floor now because you're in bed, okay? There you go. Go terrorize the room. So Curateur is a seasonal lifestyle subscription by Rachel Zoe. It is considered a luxury box. The last time I checked, it was $125 per quarter or $450 for the year. So you would get a savings if you just sign up for it annually. And in each box, you should be getting about $400 worth of products in it. It's typically 6 items, full-size products. You usually get something to wear, a bag, like really fun pieces, all curated by Rachel Zoe. Keep in mind that she has a whole lifestyle website, where you can purchase beauty products, clothing, bags, accessories, all the fun stuff. So here's what I see when I open my box, and it says Curateur, the premier shopping experience. Right on top is a little pamphlet that's going to tell me about everything that's in this box. It looks like there is a bag. All right, we're going to have fun with this. So she says, hello, love. It's your Curateur month membership anniversary. I wanted to express my tremendous gratitude for your loyalty. As a token of my appreciation, I've included a very special gift that I know will perfectly complement your creation. Scan the QR code to learn more about it, and don't forget to show us how you integrate all these new items into your life by snapping some pics and tagging Curateur. I have been doing Curateur for a really long time, so I'm not even sure if this is which membership this is, which anniversary this is, but let's dig in. All right, first up, we have the Jawara Miracle Tea Complete Eye Cream, and this retails for $80, and it says Miracle Tea Complete Eye Cream with turmeric. It brightens, tightens, and hydrates the delicate skin around your eyes with super-powered cream that boasts beneficial botanicals like turmeric, kombucha, and 5-flavor berry. The one nice thing about when she does share products from these brands, she'll also provide on here a discount code. So for instance, with this one, if you use Curateur 30, you'll receive 30% off an order. So I love that she does that as well. So next up is a set. Yes, the Abalone Wide Headband number 2 comb set. So it's made from hand-polished Italian acetate. This lightweight headband and wide tooth comb set instantly transform bad hair days into the chicest style. They retail for $102. So check that out. Might be kind of high for a comb, $102. I don't think I would pay for it, but okay, it works well. That's the comb. And then here is the headband as well. One nice thing also about Rachel Zoe's boxes is that there's usually selections to make, and you can make choices. We'll get into that here with one of the next pieces. Here's the headband. It's taped shut for right now, but it matches the comb. So that's super cute. All right. Jewelry. There's almost always jewelry. This was a choice item, so you could choose between a tennis diamond bracelet that retails for $88 or the diamond necklace. It says for the bracelet, whether you stack with your other favorites or let it shine on its own, this shimmery tennis bracelet will instantly upgrade your look. And then the diamond necklace, which retails for $96. Every jewelry collection needs a timeless piece like this. Delicate yet dazzling tennis necklace that dresses up casual looks and formalizes attire alike. So here's the 2 choices. There is a discount code for this place as well. It's by Shashi. There you go. You can see that. Comes in a nice little leather packaging. And I got the necklace because I thought that would be incredibly pretty. And it does look incredibly pretty. Check that out. How nice is that? So pretty. I love some, we all need some bling and sparkle in our lives. So what do you guys think? You can layer it just like this with other jewelry. I think that's really pretty. Super pretty. Love that. Okay, we'll keep going. Next up is by Laura Mercier. I love this. Is the Caviar Stick Eye Color, and it's retails for $33. Creating a gorgeous, long-lasting eye look is a cinch with this easy-to-use eyeshadow stick that glides on shimmering color and stays put all day or all night. And this color is going to be Midnight Blue. I'm destroying this box, so I probably pulled the wrong end. Let's see what this looks like. Oh, it looks like you could get, this was a choice item, sorry. You could choose peach or midnight blue. I chose the peach. I was like, this is not blue. Yes, it was a choice item, so you can see that. How nice is that color? And you know, the retail price is about spot on, right? If you shop Laura Mercier, then you would know. Here's the color. So I know sometimes these prices seem really high, but it does seem to be the right prices if you were to buy them retail. All right, then we have a bag by Walter Baker. Check this out. That's so cute. All right, so I got it out of the plastic. This is a really yummy, soft material, leather material. It has the nice stitching detail here in the front. It's a really nice size. Like I could fit Loki in here and carry him places. Let me take out the plastic in here. Check out the inside. Plenty of room as you get into summer markets. This would be so cute, but sometimes you just need a tote in general. Throw your laptop in here, throw your iPad, and off you go. I love that. It came in, it was a choice item. It came in 2 colors. I honestly did not remember what color I picked. I feel like this is one I probably went back and forth, which is why I don't remember, because it comes in this luscious pink, or it came in a navy blue, both which would be really nice for summer. So, so cute. It says, the Kate Tote, for a modern take on the timeless tote, this vegan leather bag features unique design details like the X-shaped seams and standout stitching. It retails for $190, and they gave a discount code if you wanted to shop there as well. When you do your choices and you feel like you can't, like if I wanted to get both the necklace and the bracelet, which would make sense, right? Maybe I would want both pieces to be able to pair them together. You can do that. You can add that extra item and you'll get it at a deeply discounted price. So this is adorable. It's a nice size. Fit all your goodies. Goes with my outfit. I like that. What do you think? All right, so this would put the retail for this box, in my case, since I got the necklace, around almost $500. Almost $500. So really, really good box. I did check this for you to see what this is for, and it is for a body oil by Joara. I don't see it in my box, so I'm going to have to email them about it. Like, do I need to ask for it now that I got this, or was it supposed to be in here? They're really, really quick to respond. Last time I didn't have an item, they wrote back to me right away and said, yes, we didn't want to hold up the whole box, so we did send it out. So they must have told me and I missed that, and then they sent it out later. So they always do, so far, they always do what they say they're going to do. So I'll check this out, but I love that they're giving a free gift. It retails for $65. All right, and that's all my items. This was super fun. I got a bag. I have eyeshadow, and I have my little comb and headband set, as well as my eye cream and my necklace. I'm all set. Thanks for hanging out with me today. This was so much fun. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. If you'd like to give Curateur a try, I'll put my link down below and you'll get money towards your first box. I'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.